In this video, we are going to show you how to replace the maintenance cartridge in your Canon Business Inkjet WG7000 series. If this message appears on your operations panel, alerting you that your maintenance cartridge is full, don't worry, it's easy to replace. Start by pressing Next, and then give your machine permission to unlock the front cover by pressing Unlock. Open the front cover and gently slide out your full maintenance cartridge and dispose of it responsibly. Remove the packaging from your new cartridge and slide it into place. Close the front cover. Your machine will take a few minutes to process the new cartridge. If you need these steps again, your printer has a handy guide located in Menu, Adjustment and Maintenance, and Maintenance. Then choose Maintenance Cartridge Replacement. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced the maintenance cartridge and you are now ready to use your WG7000 to its full capacity once again.